Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you the type of alarm systems that are provided by Tech Alarms. So first I'm going to start with the most expensive one, which is this one. This one is a 4G alarm kit. What we mean by 4G is it's got a slot where you can put in a line, and then when you put in data in the line, it can work. It can connect to the internet using a line. It does not require a Wi-Fi or a wireless signal like the others. So this one is a complete 4G. You can use it anyway. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can use this one. So it's the only one that can be used without Wi-Fi if you want to interact with the alarm system using your app. So that's how it looks like. It's got a built-in battery that lasts for about 8 hours, so it's got the biggest battery as well. But yeah, that's how it looks like. And then next we've got this one is a wireless slash wired. This 4G one is wired as well. You can connect a maximum of 4 wired sensors and 100 wireless sensors. And then this one is a wireless slash wired. You can connect a maximum of 8 wired sensors and then 100 wireless sensors. That's how it looks like. It's got a touch screen there. So the other one is this one. It's wired as well, supports maximum 8 and 100 wireless. So this one is it's got physical buttons like this. So this one you can use it with the physical button. It's more durable. Usually we put it in remote areas, but it works the same with the top one, this one. And then we've got this one. This one is a complete wireless one. Is the complete wireless, like I was saying, comes in white color and black. Only connects to 2 cables like that. That's for the power cable, and the other one is for the internal or external siding, indoor siding, which is this one. We call them the indoor sidings like this one. This indoor siding is connected to this panel, and then this panel has got this indoor siding like that. So this one and this one and this one have got a battery life of about 3 hours. All of the alarm systems have got built-in backup batteries. This one is the biggest, 8 hours, and these three have got up to 3 to 4 hour battery life. And then last but not least is this one. This one, we call it a siren alarm. So it can connect to your phone wirelessly, and then you can arm and disarm. Connects a maximum of 50 sensors. It's wireless. It's got a built-in battery of about 3 to 4 hours as well, like the others. So those are the panels that we supply from Tech Alarms. So I'm going to show you the parts, the components that can connect to the alarm system. First of all, I'm going to start with the gas sensor. So this one is a gas sensor. It connects to all of the alarm systems. Everything that I'm going to show you, the wireless can connect to all the alarm systems there. So this gas sensor is a wireless sensor, connects power direct to power, and connects to the panel wirelessly. It's a gas sensor. And then this one is a smoke and fire sensor. So this one senses smoke or a fire. It connects wirelessly as well. It's got an internal battery that you put in, AAA batteries inside there. And then this one is a standalone gas sensor. This one can work with or without the alarm system. It's a standalone. And then we'll just go to the panel. You've got another option of putting a panel there. This one is just a keypad. Maybe you put it on the front door. You can unlock your alarm system. For example, if you put in a password like that and then press unlock, it's going to disarm, or you can use cards to arm and disarm. It's wireless as well, that one. So that's how it looks like. And then in the app, In the app, it looks like this. So as you can see, this is the wireless system that I was talking about, and this one is a wired / wireless system. I can enter into there, and that's how it looks like in the application. So you've got options to disarm, you've got options to arm, you've got you've got a history record as well, where if you get into the history record, it can show you who armed or who disarmed. As you can see, it's saying up disarm, which means I disarmed using the app. If it was a remote, you can write it's like that, it's remote 4. You can name it, maybe a custom name, so that you know who disarmed and who armed at what time. If the alarm system is tripped, it's going to show you, for example, if it's a beam or a motion sensor, it comes up on there. So it shows you where exactly the alarm tripped. Let's say if it's the kitchen or any area. So that's how it looks like. You can create schedules, shows you the amount of battery life that you have, and a lot of functions that are in there using the app. With the app, you can control the alarm system from wherever you are in the world, like that. Okay, so that's how the app looks like. And then going to the motion sensors, I'm going to start with the beams. Okay, so I'm just going to go outside to show you the solar powered beams. So that's how the solar powered beams look like. These are solar powered beams. These are the best if you've got pets and they're outdoor, they're waterproof. The other one comes in pairs. The other one, let me just try to zoom. There's the other one. So they create a perimeter fence. These two create a perimeter fence. They are solar powered. They've got a built-in lithium battery, so you don't have to worry about batteries with these. They've got a range of up to 100 meters, so they can cover a length of up to 100 meters. Let me just show you an example of how it works. So I've just armed the alarm system. So as you can see, I'm just going to walk past here. The moment I walk past here, the alarm is going to trip. As you can see, I walked past there. That's the external siren there with the light strobe. That's an additional option. Yeah, as you can see, it's very loud. So that's how the beams work there. So outside as well, as I said, this is the best if you've got pets, especially big dogs, because we can install it according to the height of your dog so that it does not trip with the dogs. And then this one is an outdoor motion sensor. So this is a dual motion sensor. It's got a solar power there. It's solar powered. It's IP67 waterproof. As you can see, it's outside. There's no shade or anything because it's solar powered there. That's another option. It's pet immune to a maximum of up to about 30 kgs. If your dog is not very big, that's a good option. It's a pet sensitive. It's got a distance of up to 10 meters away, so it can detect movement from about 10 meters away. And then inside we've got this one. This is a wired beam. These are wired beams. As you can see, all beams come in pairs. So as you can see, the cable there, it connects using wires. So it connects to this one. This one is a wired alarm panel, so it can connect to this one or this one, but you can't connect these wired beams to a wireless alarm system. And then we go to motion sensors. So these are the motion sensors that we supply. We'll start with the top. So on the top, these are indoor motion sensors. This one is an indoor pet immune motion sensor. It's got a pet immune sensor of up to about 15 kgs. So for small dogs, usually inside the house, those who keep dogs inside the house. And then that one is a motion sensor. It's just a PIR it's not pet immune. And then this one is a ceiling motion sensor. It's not pet immune as well. These are all wireless. They use batteries, AAA batteries. And then going down, this one is a wired motion sensor. You have to connect using the wires. So you'd have to take the wired the alarm system, which has got the wire option. And then this one is a solar powered motion sensor. This is not unlike the other one. This one has got one sensor, as you can see. The other one outside is a dual, so it can it's pet immune as well. It's got a pet immune capacity of up to 25 kgs, so large, small to medium dogs for this one. It's got a built-in battery, lithium battery, which is solar powered, which means it's always charged. You don't need to change anything. And then on the side, this one is an indoor or outdoor motion sensor, but it is not waterproof. This one is IP67 waterproof. This one is not waterproof, so you have to install it where it does not rain, in the shade. So this one looks like this. It's got an option of using batteries, AAA batteries, or you can use a power cable. As you can see, it's connected to a power cable there. It can use power as well. So that's how it looks like. And then at the bottom, these are standalone motion sensors. These two, this one is a mini motion sensor, and then this one is a regular motion sensor. These, we usually use them for automations, like smart automations. I will show you in the next video on that one. And then we've got this one. This one is called a vibration sensor. So what happens is, if someone tries to knock the window, for example, like this, it's going to vibrate, and then it's going to send a signal to the alarm system. For example, let me just show you quickly. I just try to arm. So I've armed with my phone. I'm using a tab here, and then someone tries to knock the window like this. Like that. So yeah, that's how the vibration sensor works. And then we've got window contacts as well. These are window contacts. If someone tries to open the window, if there's separation, flashes like that, the alarm is going to go off. And then these are door sensors as well. If someone tries to open the door, so they work on doors and windows, the alarm is going to trip. Okay, so those are the motion sensors and beams that you can connect to the alarm systems. These are the panels, and then you can connect an external siren. This is a wireless siren. It's solar powered as well. So yeah, you can connect a variety of things. I think I covered most of them. I might have left out a couple, but yeah, I think the important ones I've covered. So from Tech Alarms, if you're interested, just contact us. The information is below the video. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was quite a long video. Okay, so yeah, one more thing, these are just add-ons. These alarm systems support voice command as well. They support Amazon Alexa, Google Voice. So they support Google Voice, yeah, and Amazon Alexa. You can control them using your voice. Yeah. And all of the alarm systems can connect to remotes as well. You can arm and disarm using remotes for all of the alarm system. All of our packages come with 2 remotes. So if you're offline, you can use your remotes. If you're online, you can use your phone remotes, or use the panel itself, for example, like that, to disarm your system. Yeah, like that. So these are 3G. They can support lines as well, all of these except this one. with the lines, you can communicate. Let's say the alarm system trips, it can send a text message. Maybe you don't have data where you are, it can send a text message, it can call. So all of them can do that except for this middle one. This one is just a wireless, but you can use with remotes if you're offline as well. Okay, so how you can connect the motion sensors, like for this one that I showed you, that this one is an indoor outdoor motion sensor. So you can connect it like that. So as you can see, it's connected outside in trussels. It doesn't rain there, so it's protected like that. Or if you've got dogs, another option as well, if you want for pet immune, we can install them on brackets like this. So we'd have to install them at a certain height depending with the size of your dogs, like that. So this is another option of creating a pet immune environment. But if we recommend for a big dogs, we recommend you use beams or this one. The first one is the beams, these are the best. And then the second is using motion sensors, these solar powered pet immune dual motion sensors. As you can see, they've got dual 2 sensors there. So yeah, that's how they connect. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. Cheers from Tech Alarms.